Someone rightly said that Mumbai is a city and Bombay is an emotion. There are various things which make a city, and some of the most amazing things are its locations. So here we are showing you some of the most iconic locations of Mumbai. Having a nearly 1.5 kilometer long walkway by the sea, it is a nice place to visit in the neighborhood of Bandra. Bandstand is a beautiful place to unwind with your friends and family after a hectic day. Do visit this place to enjoy the local flavors. If you are in Bandra or if you come to Bandra, make sure you do come to Carter's Road. This place will give you the best sunset view in the city. And if you are coming for a morning or an evening walk, you may bump into one of the celebrities, since this place is located in Bandra and a lot of celebrities stay here. A location you must have seen in many Indian movies. This is the Bandra Fort. Built in the year 1640 AD by the Portuguese, it served as a watchtower overlooking Mahim Bay to the south, the Arabian Sea to the west, the islands of Worli to the south, and the town of Mahim to the southwest.
मेरा नाम गौरव भट्ट है, मैं ताड़वी में रहता हूँ। बालगंगा पे मैं पूजा पाठ के लिए आता हूँ। बम्बई में जितने है विरार हो, नाला सफर हो, जहाँ भी हो, वहाँ से लोग इधर आते हैं, पंडित जी लोग इधर बुलाते हैं और जगह बहुत सफा है, इसलिए यहाँ पुण्य काम हो जाता है।
A local legend says that it sprang when Lord Rama stopped here when he was in search of his wife Sita. Banganga Talao or tank is an ancient water tank which is a part of the Walkeshwar temple complex in the Malabar Hill area. It is a cultural hub for many locals as they perform many rites and rituals here. Situated on the slopes of Malabar Hill, the Hanging Garden provides a calming and peaceful view of the sunset. However, today it is an ideal place for you to hang out, especially when you have kids. A vast area where they can run, play and have fun around. Make sure you visit this place. Just next to the Queen's Necklace is the beach, which the Mumbaikars call Girgam Chopati. Closest to the Cherny Road railway station, this awesome location becomes a visual delight during the Ganpati festival, which is the most celebrated festival of the city. However, you can surely visit this place for some great chopati snacks served on a chatai. The Kala Ghoda is an iconic place in the city of Mumbai, as it has its own festival during the month of February every year. It becomes a hotspot for all art enthusiasts. And yes, the Kala Ghoda statue is back to its original place, people. This spectacular looking building is the Asiatic Library. Influenced by Roman and Greek architecture, it is located in the fort area of Mumbai. Do come here to click some great pictures and enjoy this amazing experience. The breathtaking view of this location is surely not to be missed. The Worli Sea Face is a stretch on the seaside with cobbled flooring. This bridge has resolved many traffic issues and stands tall only to give you a comfortable ride from Worli to Bandra or back. It took 11 massive years to finish this godly dome, the Global Vipassana Pagoda. This is a meditation dome hall with the capacity of 8,000 meditators near Gorai in the northwest of the city. This is the most peaceful place in the city for sure. A must visit for all peace-loving people. May all beings be happy. Covering an area of 104 kilometers squared, Sanjay Gandhi National Park is considered as the largest park in the world, which is located within the city. The densely forested park has elevations ranging from 30 meters to 480 meters. This natural green blanket fights a lot of city's air pollution. A one-of-its-kind site which has become a tourist attraction especially for foreigners. The Dhobi Ghat is an open laundromat where more than 200 families reside. This service or occupation has been passed down from one generation to the next. The washers or the dhobis work here in the open to wash the clothes and linen. Known for its beautiful and mesmerizing architecture, the Mount Mary Church never fails to please your eyes and soul. Also known as the Basilica of Our Lady of the Mount, is considered as one of the most beautiful churches around the world. The celebration of Mother Mary's birth anniversary is held in the month of September. We know it as the Mount Mary Fair. One of the most iconic places in the city of Mumbai is this. Known as the largest slum of Asia, the Dharavi Chaul also has a large number of small-scale industries. The special thing about this place is that it has a nice balance of residential and commercial outfits. Having a heritage of almost 500 years, the Dargah of Haji Ali stands tall for its beauty and visual appearance. They say no one returns empty-handed from his doors. As a matter of fact, during the heavy rains of 26 July 2005, there was a huge destruction over most of the parts of Mumbai. But the Haji Ali Dargah was not affected by this incident.
जब भी कोई चीज़ का टेंशन ऐसा लगता है तो मैं इधर आता हूँ मज़ार पे, घूमता थोड़ा सा छालों पे चढ़ाता हूँ भाई लोग के साथ में, और थोड़ा रुकता बैठता आराम करता हूँ सुकून में.
The Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, formerly known as the Victoria Terminus, is a historical terminal train station and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the city of Mumbai. With the passage of time and due to the convergence of local and outside passengers, CST has become the biggest train station in Asia.
मैं तमिलनाडु से आया हूँ CST घूमने के लिए, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Having a long shoreline, Juhu Beach attracts many health enthusiasts for their daily walks, jogs and exercise. One of the most famous and visited beaches of the city also offers you amazing street food in the hub of food stalls. Do visit this place and wet your feet on the shores if you are someone who loves to do that. The Gateway of India is one of the most visited sites in the country by tourists who come here to experience its architectural beauty. People come here to get their pictures clicked and have a great view of the Taj Mahal Hotel as well. The Gateway of India also becomes a point to start your journey towards Elephanta or Alibag. You may also choose to go on the ferry for a joy ride and enjoy the view from the sea. Fascinating, isn't it?
मैं पाठनपुरी से आया हूँ और मैं यहाँ पर गेट ऑफ इंडिया पर आया हूँ. यहाँ पर बहुत ही अच्छी हवा है और यहाँ पर नज़ारा बहुत ही बेहतरीन है.
A place which is the result of a failed reclamation project is now the Queen's Necklace of the city. Having a 3.5 km long concrete road, it makes people come here for their morning walks. The evenings here are even better as the relaxing sound of the sea gives you that peace you need after a hard working day. So folks, these were some of the iconic locations in the city of Mumbai. Feel free to hit that like button and share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe